Morning, everyone, and good morning, our honorable lecturer, Hikmatuddin Ayas. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Putra, and I'm a college student of Polytechnic Negeri Semarang. Today, I will present final project of proposal. The title is the effect of 12% VAT on customer behavior in the traditional market and modern market in Semarang City. The next is background. Value add tax is one of the most significant source of government revenue applied to the consumption of goods and service. In Indonesia, the recent implementation of a 12 VAT rate has raised important questions about its impact on consumer behavior, particularly in different types of market, traditional market, which are characterized by direct interaction between seller and buyer, often cater to lower income groups, while modern markets such as supermarket and malls serve middle to upper income consumer and understanding how these tax influence purchasing decision in both setting is crucial for evaluating its broader economic and social implications. The imposition of VAT can alter consumer preference and spending patterns in traditional market where price sensitivity is generally high. Even a small increase in tax might discourage purchase or shift demand toward cheaper alternatives. Conversely, consumers in modern markets may be less affected by the tax due to higher purchasing power and the perception of add value tax in terms of convenience, quality, and brand assurance. The divergence highlight the need to analyze VAT effect not only on aggregate consumption but also on the dynamic between different market structure. Semarang City provided an interesting case study for this issue. At the one of the major urban centers in Central Java, Semarang has hot thriving traditional market and rapidly expanding modern and retail outlet. The consistence of these two market types within the same city allows research to observe how VAT influence consumer choices across diverse socioeconomic groups. Moreover, Semarang role as hub of trade commerce make it a representation setting for understanding broader national trend in consumer behavior under the new regime. By examining the effect of the 12 VAT or value-add tax on consumer behavior in Semarang traditional and modern market. The study aims to provide insight into adaptability of consumer, the resilience of market structure, and the potentially policy implication for taxation. The findings are expected to contribute to academic discussion on fiscal policy while offering practical recommendation for stakeholders. Problem formulation. Number one, how does the problem formulation? Number one, how does the increase of VAT to 12% affect change in consumer purchasing pattern in traditional market in Semarang City? Number two, how does the increase of VAT to 12% affect change in consumer purchasing pattern in modern market in Semarang City? Research purpose. Number one, analyzing the impact of 12% VAT increase on consumer purchasing pattern in traditional market in Semarang City. Number two, analyzing the impact of a 12% VAT increase on consumer purchasing pattern in modern market in Semarang City. Research benefit. The benefit of this research lies in its ability to provide a deeper understanding of how the implementation of a 12% value-added tax influenced consumer behavior across different market structures in Semarang City, offering valuable insight for policy markets, business, and academic alike by comparing traditional markets which are often dominated by price-sensitive consumers with limited purchasing power and modern market which typically attract middle to upper income group with different consumption preference. The study highlights the diverse way taxation policies can affect spending pattern, project choice, and overall market dynamic. This finding can serve as a foundation for designing more equitable fiscal policies that balance government revenue generation with consumer welfare while also building retailer and entrepreneurs in adapting their pricing strategies, marketing approach, and supply chains management to maintain competitive competitiveness under the next the new tax regime. Furthermore, the research contribute to academic discourse by enriching the literature on taxation and consumer behavior in developing economic, providing empirical evidence that can be used for future comparative studies across regions and countries. The next is literature review. Definition of value-added tax. Value-added tax college based on law number 8 of 1983 is a tax imposed on the value-added arising from the use of production picture in each company line in preparing, distributing, and trading goods or providing service to consumer, all costs incurred to obtain and maintain profit, including interest and on capital, land rent, wage, and business profit, are elements of value added that form the basis for VAT imposition. Indirect tax are tax that can ultimately be shifted or charged to others. For example, value-added tax in VAT when on again by a product from a producer in that purchase transaction, the agent is also charged at 12% VAT by the producer, which is then passed on the end consumer. The next is characteristic of value-added tax. The 12% value-added tax in Indonesia effective from January 1, 20 and 25 is a standard. This rate applied to most taxable goods and services under the Ministry of Finance Regulation number 131, 131 and 20 and 24. This regulation defines the taxable base to ensure fairness across diverse transactions while maintaining government revenue stability. The subject of the 12% value-added tax in Indonesia include individual, business, and entities that deliver taxable goods and services within the country as well as those engaged in imports under the Ministry of Finance regulation. The next is value-added tax objects. The objects of the 12% value-added tax in Indonesia consists of taxable goods and services delivered within the country as well as import that enter Indonesian territory under the Ministry of Finance Regulation number 131 and 20 and 24, respectively January 1 and 20 and 25. VAT objects include both tangible goods such as consumer products, luxury items and property, and intangible service ranging for professional service to digital transaction by broadening, broadening to taxable base. The government ensure that consumption activity across traditional and modern markets contribute to fiscal revenue while maintaining fairness and consistency in the application of tax policy. The next is value-added tax rate. The VAT rate is 20% in the effectively that for the VAT 12% in Indonesia is January 1st, 20 and 25. Delivery and the next is delivery not subject to value added tax. Delivery is not subject to the 12% value added tax in Indonesia generally include transactions that are exempted by law, such as the delivery of essential goods and services considered vital for public welfare. These exemptions cover basic food items, health service, education service, and certain financial service, as well as non-commercial activities carried out by government institutions by including these categories from VAT. The government aims to project lower income and maintain fairness in the application of tax policy. The next is research methodology. Definition of research methods. The word method in Greek in methodos and in English method, which means why are pets. A method is a way or technique used for research, and a method is a scientific activity related to a systematic way of working to understand an object or research object as an effort to find answers that can be scientifically accountable or valid. Types of data based on the result. Number one, primary data. Primary data is data collected directly by the researcher. In this study, the data was obtained through questionnaire distributed to consumers in both traditional and modern markets. Number two, secondary data. Secondary data is data obtained from other sources. In the study, the data was obtained from the Information and Documentation Management Officer of University. The next is type of data based on characteristic. Number one, qualitative. Data is data. Qualitative data is data obtained through the interview of observation. The qualitative data used in the study is after the 12% VAT tax effect. Do you prefer shopping at modern market or traditional market? And explain why you choose to shop at that market. Number two, quantitative data. Quantitative data is data obtained through questionnaire. The quantitative data used in this study is if you prefer to continue shopping at modern market after the 12% VAT tax effect, how often have you visited a modern market in the past month and vice versa? Research methodology. Number one, research methodology. Data collection method. Field research method, which is a data collection method where the writer directly visit the company and or market to conduct research. The activities carried out by the writer at the company market include making direct observation of creative analysis report on sales level and then conducting interview with company leader and other parties who can provide information. Data analysis method. Providing an overview of consumer behavior after the implementation of the 12% VAT by calculating the percentage of consumers who prefer traditional market over modern market. And next is conclusion. The implementation of the 12% value added tax in Indonesia represent a significant fiscal reform and advance the government revenue while maintaining economic stability. By applying this tax to a broad range of goods and services, including import and luxury items. The police ensure that consumption activities contribute fairly to national development at the same time. Is exemption for essential goods and services likely the government effort to protect vulnerable group and maintain affordability for basic needs. From the perspective of consumer behavior, the increase in VAT has the potential the res- to reshape purchasing pattern in both traditional and modern market. Price sensitive consumer in traditional market may reduce their frequency of purchase or shift toward untaxed alternative while modern market consumer will generally have higher purchasing power may absorb to tax more easily. The divergence underscore the importance of analyzing consumer response to taxation policy as it reveals the varying impact across different socioeconomic group and market structure. Overall, the research on VAT influence provides valuable insight for polymaker business and academic polymaker can use the finding to design more equitable tax system. Business can adapt policy and marketing strategies to retain competitiveness, and academic can rewrite the literature on taxation and consumer behavior in developing economic in the way the study not only evaluate the immediate effect of the 12% VAT but also contribute to broader discussion on fiscal policy, market dynamic, and social welfare. Thank you for your attention and thank you for our honorable lecturer. The name is Hikmatuni Arya.